Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. So our today's topic is how to set up Tenda A18 Pro Wi-Fi range extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then Tenda A18 Pro Wi-Fi range extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the Tenda A18 Pro Wi-Fi range extender is a small device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to reach areas in your home or office with weak or no coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unpack the extender box. Inside the Tenda A18 Pro Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender device itself and a quick setup guide/manual. It may also include a warranty card and safety information to help you get started easily. Now plug the Tenda A18 Pro into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Turn on the power. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. If LEDs are blinking continuously for more than 2 minutes, press reset once and wait again. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Look for a network named something like Tenda_EXT. Tap and connect to it. No password is required at this stage. Wait until it shows connected, no internet. This is normal. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox. In the address bar, type one of these and press enter, re.tenda.cn or 192.168.0.254. The Tenda setup page should load automatically. If page does not open, then turn off mobile data. Try another browser. Or type 192.168.0.254 manually instead of re.tenda.cn. On the welcome screen, select your language. Click Start Setup or Begin. The extender will now scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks, takes 10 to 20 seconds. From the list, tap your home Wi-Fi name, SSID. Make sure you select the correct band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, if dual-band router. Carefully type your router's Wi-Fi password. Double-check, no extra spaces, correct uppercase/lowercase letter. Click Next/Extend/Save. You'll be asked to name the extender's Wi-Fi network. You can choose, same name as router, for seamless roaming, or add suffix like home Wi-Fi_EXT or home Wi-Fi_Tenda. Click Next/Apply. The extender will now apply settings. This takes 1 to 3 minutes. The extender will restart automatically. Your phone/laptop may disconnect, this is normal. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.